Hello everybody, it's me Marisha and I'm back with another video. Today I'm introducing my little bird who is now with me. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell, and now let's begin. I bought my bird after the death of my first budgie, a budgie. It was really painful for me, so I decided that I would get another one. And actually, my first parrot flew into my house on St. Mary's holiday that we celebrate on 28th August, and it was just a miracle. When I found out I was a bird person, I got my Cece afterwards. It's been over 5 years now since we've been living together, and Cece is such a good birdie. She really enjoys being on my shoulder. Now she's helping me to voice over right now as well. I don't know her exact birthday date because when I got her, they told me that she was just young and nothing else. This is what her cage looks like, and she bites me. Well, yes, she bites me sometimes, especially when I want her to come off of my shoulder. She bites me sometimes, but it doesn't happen often, so it's okay. She just wants to be around me. We are also training. We have some training sessions going on, and it's going pretty well. Every bird can be trained, so it's no problem. She also loves to take a bath, especially in my hand or in both of my hands. She loves swings sometimes, when she's chilling a little bit. And she loves fruits and veggies, which is a really good thing. She just molted. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically they're changing their feathers. It should happen not more than 2 times a year. And I'm so happy she just finished molting because she had some mood swings and everything like that. Because it's not fun to be itchy all the time. Not gonna lie, she has no problem eating fruits, vegetables, fresh sprouts, that I give her a lot and very often because it's very nutritious. There are some foods that are poisonous for them, so it's important to do your research about that. We're currently getting ready to go on a vacation on the seaside in the village, and I'm of course not leaving my bird, and we're basically getting ready for that. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. Please subscribe, drop a like, and share this video with your friends. And thank you guys so much for watching too, and I'll see you next time. Farewell.